Hey, what's up everyone? I want to show you, look at this. Snow and ice everywhere, and I'm wearing my short sleeves and my shorts. The snow is still everywhere. I mean, it's slick as heck out here, and the snow and ice is still everywhere. I mean, we're still white outside it is currently almost 60 degrees. Well, it was earlier, and it's raining. It's raining right now. It was almost 60 degrees or so earlier. And yes, some of it's melted. Actually, a couple of inches, maybe 3 or 4 inches of it is melted, I guess. But still, we got to 62 today, and it was warm. It was so warm all day long. And look at this. 62 today, and it's still currently, I think it's going from 43 up to 60, 43, 60, bouncing back and forth right now. But that's what we've got right now. Still. I mean, you'd think we were still in the middle of a winter storm, but no, it's still here. I mean, this is what's going on. And we were listening to the radio earlier, and they were talking about the fact that it was 74. He said his air conditioner kicked on. The guy on the radio said it was 74 degrees, so his air conditioner kicked on. And me, I'm wearing short sleeves right now. Short sleeves, no coat. Obviously wearing shorts because I usually wear shorts anyway, but unless it's super cold like it was the other day. But yeah, 74 in some places where they just got a blizzard, and it's literally, there's still snow on the ground, and it's 60 degrees outside. Snow on the ground, 60 degrees. None of it, I mean, it didn't melt it away. They said it would melt it away, it would be gone, but still got a nice coating of it here. A nice layer. I mean, you can still hear it. Some places there's still a good half an inch of snow, and it's 60 degrees out. 60 degrees outside. Let me see what it shows as of right now. Okay, it's 59 outside, but it's going from 59 to 43, 59, 43, but there was a funny story on the radio a moment ago. The guy on the radio said his air conditioner kicked on at 74, and it got to 75. And he said, I'm shoveling my driveway to get the ice out of the driveway to be able to move the vehicle. He said, I'm shoveling the driveway at 73 degrees, 74 degrees. And he said, then it was 75 for the high. He said, I'm thinking, is this true? Is this true? He's shoveling his driveway. I mean, heck, we could still, if it weren't, the fact that it's not really slick, we could have to shovel our driveway off, but some places made it to 74. It's raining right now. It's raining. This is documentation. It's raining. 74 degrees in some places. 60 here. 60 right here. And we still have all of this. It was 65 or 62 today. And all of the snow is still here, and there's still piles in parking lots. Crazy. Look at all the snow that's still here at the edge of the road. I mean, it goes on. It's everywhere. Hey, kitties. Kitty cats. All of this snow is still here. 62 degrees. 62 degrees. It goes from 43 to 62. All of this snow is still here at 60 degrees. Some places were like 70, 75, and the snow, he said, I was shoveling snow out of my driveway at 75 degrees. Shoveling snow out of your driveway at 75 degrees. Now that is something. Snow and ice being shoveled out of your driveway, 75 degrees. These weather events definitely don't follow the known norms of nature, do they? That's something else. That's for sure. And it's doing some kind of a rain/sleet mixture, which you can see, which it should not be sleeting. See, you can feel the cool air behind the warm air. Cool air, warm air, cool air, warm air. It goes back and forth, but it's, I know this is not like some relaxational video or whatever, I just wanted to document it. But it is raining, but yet a mixture of an icy precipitation at 60 degrees. If you can see in that light. Sounds like a rainforest / Arctic ski resort at the same time. So that's what's going on here. We were listening to the radio. Mama and I were listening to the radio a moment ago, and they were saying, yeah. He said, it's 74 degrees. My air conditioner kicks on. I said, I'm like, really? Really? Is the air conditioner on? And he said, I need to run the air conditioner after just going through a blizzard, a snowstorm. And and then it's 70. He said it was 75, and he's shoveling ice and snow out of his driveway at 75 degrees. But it made it to 62 here today. It was 60 a moment ago, and still looks like it just snowed. Obviously not as much as there was earlier, but still it looked like it just snowed. That's all for this video. I am going to show that. That's the roof still. It's jumping between 43 and 60 degrees outside, back and forth. But that's the roof currently. The roof still has snow all over it. That's the weather now. Now that rain's starting to kick in more. We went through a little bit of a rain earlier, / ice, even though it was at 60 degrees. That doesn't make any sense, but that's the way things are now. See, it's a mixture. It's a cold rain. I've got to get the stuff in the house. That's all. That's documentation.